Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now.
Well, hello, my berries. It's time for another Clean With Me video, and this time it involves your girl here. So, I am going to attempt to straighten up my vanity area. I'll show you here shortly. But it's kind of to the fact where I'm working from home a lot more, right? So, I want to be able to sometimes work at my desk and not necessarily work in the living room, if you know what I mean. I'm always working in the living room, and I have like two tables or whatever that I'm putting out for myself to work on. So yeah, I don't want to do that anymore. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. And I just want to let you guys know, if this is your first time visiting us here at Darkberry32, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you're here to see us. I just want to let you know I do all sorts of videos. I do videos on cooking, cleaning, shopping, thrifting. I used to do a lot of outfit of the days. The pandemic is hit. I'm not wearing anything special other than sweats. And so, but I do things like that. Let's see. Also, I have another series called Dear Darkberry where I also give out advice. So if this is something that you like and you like those type of videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I put up a video and you won't miss anything. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, everyone. Welcome, welcome to Darkberry32. And as you can see, this is a mess. It's not real bad, but there is no way I'm going to be able to work on this desk with my laptop. So that's the whole reason that I'm getting this started. I have all these drawers. They're full of things. As you can see, the little gray bin over there, that's where I'm going to use that to help me kind of thin things out on top of my desk. I mean, look in this drawer. I have all kinds of products and towels and things of that nature. So I want to get all of this stuff out, get it in its rightful place, and then that way I should have enough space to do what I need to do.
Wreck and fall, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better.
Okay, so we have this bin that I bought at Ross. And this is what I'm going to use. This little bin here, the smaller one, I'm going to use it for the top of my desk to kind of corral things and keep things together. And you're going to always need a trash bag to get started. Please excuse my mask. I went out to greet the guy that takes my Christmas lights down. And then I ran back in to start recording again. So that's why I still have my mask around my face. Have you guys ever found yourself just kind of riding around, even in your car, with your mask still on? This pandemic has taken a toll, I'm telling you.
There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before.
All right, so right here you'll see me. I'm kind of going through some of the things that I need, because what I'm going to end up doing is leaving the things that I normally use on a daily basis on top of my desk, and then other things are going to go inside that gray basket that you saw. Also, don't forget to offer things. Like my daughter, she wears makeup, so I was trying to check with her, hey, do you want this? Do you want that? Lotions, creams, perfumes, things of that nature. And so don't be afraid to give up on some of these things. And a lot of the stuff is just abundance. I feel like I'm still not really done, because I want to continue to get rid of some things, to just kind of minimalize a lot of stuff. So here you see me with my disinfectant wipes, of course, and kind of cleaning things up, because of course, makeup is very messy. So I'm trying to get everything that I'm going to use on a daily and put that in my acrylic containers. And then that way everything's right there at my fingertips on the daily. And see how nice and easy things fit into this nice gray bin. And then I'm kind of you kind of see me going through like, okay, I know I'm gonna need this if I wear lashes. Here's some lip gloss. Just very basic things that you don't need all your makeup sitting out to use it. So that's what I'm learning. And I may even get rid of a lot more stuff, like I said earlier, because this is just a lot. When you start looking at it, it's like, really, do I need all this? I don't use all of this. So another thing that I've always told you guys about is shopping your house. Don't forget to shop your house. So these two containers that you saw, I'm going to put my makeup brushes in them. Those containers were from when I decorated my house for Christmas. And then here I am just kind of clearing everything off and making sure it's all nice and clean. I had a cloth on top of this, but I love the clean look without that cloth. So you see me here just kind of cleaning it off.
To see, I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah, with the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah, we can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me.
Do you see how nice and neat that looks when you have everything contained in one nice basket, bin, whatever? It just keeps everything really nicely put together. And if you looked inside, I have like my perfumes, which are a little bit lower in the basket. So it really kind of, when you're looking across my desk, it gives you more of a clean line look because those bottles are smaller and this basket is taller. All right, so while I have your attention, don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. And these are some other social medias that you can find me on: Twitter and Instagram, Darkberry32, and Facebook, Darkberry032. Now check out the desk. And don't worry, I'm going to cut those price tags off. I just kind of wanted to make sure that they are going to be utilized in the correct way and that it all works out. So that's why I kept them on, but I did take them off, don't worry. All right, so you think I was done? That was only half the battle, the top of the desk. I need to go through these drawers. I got to get things more organized. What's the sense in having the top organized and then you got a mess in all your drawers? So I decided to go through these drawers. My bestie gave me that. It says, "You'll always be my friend." You know why? Because I know too much. So yeah, I'm gonna go through all these drawers, pull everything out, put them in categories, toss some things, throw some things away, offer some things to my daughter, and just keep going through it. That black bag on top, I totally forgot that I was collecting some MAC empties. And so I ended up being able to take that to the mall the other day and got myself a free lipstick. So I forgot all about that, but I did save them. So yeah, I have all kinds of things like that, guys. So make sure, like here you see I have things in categories, things that I'm going to keep inside of the desk, things that I'm going to put into my bathroom. I have so much hair, like wigs and hair pieces and things like that. So I'm going to make sure I put all those in different sections as well. So I just kind of wanted to lay everything out, things that I'm going to return back to my desk drawer. And I just wanted to make sure that I had everything in its categories. I have all these little bags, little things in it. And then right there, that's a pile of things that is going with Kayla. She wanted some of those things. So yeah, this is how you do it. Put things in categories and it's really, really easy. So here I'm just kind of using this bag here to put all my hair pieces in, my wigs and things of that sort. And that way it's out of the way and I can put it in another part of the house and I won't be clogging up my work area.
Cause after all this time, you're still on my mind. Oh, I'll never forget you, baby. Oh, I'll never forget you, baby. Oh, I'll never forget you.
All right, we're almost done. That was pretty simple. Let's put everything back in place. I'm loving the way it turned out. And look, my computer sits on there just nice and fine. Let me fluff my pillow. Like, I am loving the way it looks. What do you guys think? I love it. I absolutely love it. And I couldn't have thought of a better thing to do for you guys so that you can see. So now check out the before. Pretty bad, huh? Now here's the after. Love. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below.
Don't tell me lies now. I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can't feel me.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoy bringing it to you. I hope it helps out a lot. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed it once again. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.